Claude just released incredibly powerful financial plugins for everyday investors like you and me. Now, everyday investors can access the kind of financial analysis Wall Street analysts get paid around $300,000 a year to perform. Earnings breakdown, valuation models, daily research briefs, the work that used to take a room full of people in suits at least 2 days. Now you can do that same work within 60 seconds with just one command from your laptop. I am installing everything with you from scratch. No financial degree needed, no Bloomberg terminal, no $24,000 subscription, nothing. We will build everything with you, and by the end of this video, you will have 3 analyst grade report on Apple and Nvidia, and you can do rest by yourself, whatever the stocks you have. Financial analysis is one of my favorite topics apart from AI, because I personally invest a lot of money, but this video is not about providing any financial advice, so don't get me wrong. And that's why I created 2 videos where I will show completely full breakdown how you can do financial analysis. Today is part 1 where we'll be installing everything from scratch, and I will show you 3 live demos. And the part 2 will be the next. It's kind of a heavy lift. There I will show you the full Tesla valuation and the valuation model plus a real stock picking workflow. That is scary good part. So today watch part 1, and in next upcoming days I'll be uploading part 2. So hit like, hit subscribe, and stay tuned. Every information about this video, links and the GitHub repo you can find in the description tab. Grab it today. Alright, before we jump directly into Claude, let me explain you in a visual way how this setup works. In the step 1, we need to create Claude account. You can simply go to claude.com and create an account with any email ID. In the step 2, get a paid plan, because we will be using Claude Cowork, and the Claude Cowork is only available in the paid plan, and it costs around $20 a month. In the step 3, open desktop app, because this will not work in the browser, because Claude Cowork is only available in the desktop app. And in the step 4, we will add marketplace from GitHub. In the step 5, we will install plugins, and after it will install, we will have this all plugins, and it basically unlocked earning preview, valuation models, daily briefs, and the stock screening. So what is marketplace? So marketplace is basically directory where all plugins lives, and for this particular plugins we have this Anthropic's financial service GitHub repo where basically all code and everything stores. So let me explain you now how you can install it into your Claude Cowork. Once you open Claude, simply from the left corner just click on the Claude Cowork and then click on the customize, and then here click on the plus icon, then click on the create plugin, and then add marketplace. And here we will paste the GitHub repo link which I just show you, and we'll paste here link. You can find this link from the description tab. Check it out, and let's enter sync. So there are many plugins and agents available in this marketplace. As a regular investors, we don't need all these multiple plugins. So I found this for you, whatever the best plugins which you can install into your Claude Cowork. The first is earning reviewer, you can just click it, and then the second is financial analysis, and then equity research, and what else we can install is market researcher. And as you can see, whatever the installed plugins out of the marketplace, you can see the different icon, gear icon, that means it's installed. Okay, now it's time for demo. First install this and do the demo with me. In the demo 1, we will be reviewing Apple's earning. So I will open this earnings reviewer, and we will be using basically this skills, earnings analysis. So let me open Claude Cowork, and then I will paste this prompt. So Apple last quarter, give me a 1-page equity research note, segment performance versus last quarter, guidance changes, and the top 3 risk management hedge on the during call. But how Claude Cowork knows what to use? So that's why we just need to use this slash and then use this earning analysis. Okay, and now we'll just execute it. So in the finance industry, this is heaviest job. To check all the transcript call, listen to it, read everything. This is really difficult. Now we will get it within just few seconds. There you have it. We got Q2 financial year 2026 earning note. The earning announced on April 30, 2026. That's why it's mentioned here, and it's also providing all other information like segment performance, Q2 financial year 2026 versus Q1 financial year 2026, iPhone services, Mac, iPad, wearables. It is also providing us guidance for Q3 financial year 2026, revenue growth, service growth, gross margin, capital returns, and also top 3 risk management hedge on the call. It is also providing analyst view, maintain outperform, price target is $250. I think it's trading more than that as of now. But the thing is that we got this just within 60 seconds. This used to take for normal investor, at least for me, hours, and we still get after hours multiple pages, and we need to find this segment where it is available. Now demo 2 is about Nvidia. That's close to my heart because I made good amount of money in last few years on Nvidia stock. So you can just put this / you will find all the plugins and everything which you have it, right? And I will just add here morning note, and then I will paste this prompt, give me today's morning brief on Nvidia. Now it will give whatever happened in last 48 hours. It's called morning note. We got the answer literally in 45 seconds. Now you can see on the May 29, 2026, the top call is post earnings drift continues, stock minus 1% pre-market despite the cleanest beat in the years, ranked by likely price impact. Q1 financial 2026 earnings May 20, post earnings reaction still weighing. SA downwards on May 28. Wells Fargo price target raised to $315 from $265. China H200 clearance, legal limbo. Yeah, it's the bottom line. Nvidia is executing flawlessly. $91 billion guide for Q2 is extraordinary. The stock is getting sold on delivery, not on the fundamentals. Maintain long, no thesis change. So let's say you have 10 to 15 stocks into your portfolio. You can do this on scheduled tasks. So every morning you just need to click execute and it will give you morning brief for all the stocks which you held into your portfolio. It makes your life easier whether you should to hold, sell or buy. The third demo is very important because let's say you know all big companies like Nvidia, Apple, Meta, Google, Tesla, but you don't know the small cap companies, right? Or mid cap companies. So I'll paste this prompt: US mid cap technology stocks with strong free cash flow and the durable competitive moats. Return the top 5 with a one-line reason for each. No recommendation, just candidates for me to research. So now for this, I will put / then I will use this screen. So it's basically screener plugins, okay? And then I will just execute because we all know all Mag 7 companies and all big tech companies, but we don't know small cap companies and mid cap companies. That's why I pasted this prompt, and you can use the similar prompt for yourself. Now it will give us 5 mid cap companies based on our criteria, but you can change the criteria, whatever you want to build, whatever you wanted to screen. Use this screen plugin and then you will get the full list of stocks. Okay, that gave 5 company. And to be honest, I haven't heard any of this stock. Taylor Technology, Guidewire Software, PTC, Cognex, Yes, whatever it is. But I don't know any of these companies. But now we have stock name. Now we need to do further analysis before we buy or sell anything. And that's the power of this screener app, because you always search around the stocks which you know or you got to know from your friends, but you never know this kind of hidden gems. And I'm not indicating this will be multi-bagger or something. I'm just running here AI tutorial. I'm telling you again, guys. One myth which I would like to clear directly in front of you guys. You don't need paid data in 2026 at least. The old way was we were paying, let's say, $24,000 per year Bloomberg, FactSet, CapIQ subscriptions. But the new way, we just need to pay $20 a month for plot subscription, and we'll get public 10Ks and filings and read automatically, and we'll get the complete analysis. Part 2 will be really interesting, guys, because in the part 1 we did the basic setup, basic demos. In the part 2 we'll be doing some interesting stuff. First we'll be doing the Tesla valuation in detail, and the second one is very important and very interesting, a stock picking workflow. Because if you can't pick the right stock into stock market, you will not get successful into stock market with higher returns. So trust me, I know the process. So I will share my experience as well, and I will share you how you can pick a stock in that video. I'll be uploading the part 2 of this video in next upcoming days. So like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell notification bell so you will never miss my videos in the future. So stay tuned, and I will see you in the next one.